In this video, I'll show you how to edit code in Google AI Studio. First, open Google AI Studio and go into your project. To start editing code, you need to be in build mode. This is also known as vibe coding mode. Once you're in build mode, you can describe the changes you want in plain language using the prompt box. For example, you could type something like add a search bar or fix the alignment, and AI Studio will automatically update the code in real time. If the AI generates something that is not quite right, you do not need to start over. Just click on any previous message in the conversation history and edit your prompt. This will rerun the conversation from that point and generate a corrected version. If you have an existing project with multiple files, you can upload your entire code base directly into AI Studio. The AI will use those files as context to understand your project and suggest or apply edits across your code accurately. If you want the AI to follow specific coding standards or handle changes in a consistent way, you can add system instructions at the top of your configuration. This tells the AI exactly how you want it to approach code changes every time. That is how you do it.